Hey Funtastic family, welcome back to another video. Guys, I heard that the decor at Dollar Tree is amazing, and so I'm taking you guys on this adventure with me to see if it's worth it. So let's go. So here we have our first piece, which is the hanging decorations. We have skulls, the ghosts, and some other items. I must admit that they have started off really good, and I like how Halloween is in full effect at Dollar Tree. Let's continue to look at some more pieces. Guys, so the next stop is the 3D spooky erasers. Yes, guys, look at it. You got those eyeballs and spiders in the pack. So nice treat for to decorate the house and also for trick-or-treating. Some kids don't like candy, so we can give them other stuff. And then we have those mini buckets in different colors. I also found some wiggly eyes, and I find these are some nice pieces, y'all, if you want to give other things than candy for the kids. See, they also have pencils. Yep. Next stop is that poison beaker. All my Halloween lovers, there you got the beaker. We also got this assorted goblet, and they have them in a variety of colors. Here they also have some bags for the kids to use to collect some candy and a whole variety of bags. Are you a lantern lover? Yes, they have lanterns as well in a variety of colors. Those are the LED lanterns. And next is the skeleton. And some of these skeletons, they glow in the dark. Also, they got those spiders, the spider web. So if you want to decorate the walls of your house or you want to put it in your ceiling, that is okay. And also, they got some costumes and some garlands for you to decorate your staircase. Guys, Dollar Tree is booming. Go to Dollar Tree, guys. Let's continue to look in the store. For $1.50, you can get the LED candles, which would go nicely with the lantern, and also these LED bat lights and also the ghost light. Those would be nice to decorate the staircase. If you are not a fan of the orange plastic lanterns, they do have the paper ones, so you can get those. They have them in purple and white, and you can get those for $1.50. Also, guys, I found these LED shadow projector. Those look really cool for like a movie night or just doing like some stories for the kids. You can go ahead and project those, or you just want a spooky room, that would be good as well. Also, guys, I found these black cats, so you can have those at the front of your yard, in your house, wherever you want to put them. Over on the plus side of Dollar Tree, where things are like $5 and more, you can find skulls, and these, especially the white one, it looks real. So they have other stuff that you can use to decorate your homes or the outside, wherever you're planning to decorate. So Funtastic family, we have found ghosts, cats, all sorts of scary stuff. But guess what, guys? There is a magical broom here. I think I have found my ride, and this is how I'm gonna get home. Forget the car. I'm flying home. Guys, they also have Halloween costumes. So if the little ones don't like the scary stuff, they have like pizza, burger, they have military as well, so the little ones can dress up and have a fun time at Halloween as well. Guys, they also have fall stuff where you don't have to decorate your house in Halloween. You don't have to decorate your house with all those scary stuff. They actually have those nice subtle things for fall, and I think I'll be going home with one of these just to put in my kitchen. So guys, Dollar Tree definitely has a lot of stuff, and let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite thing about Halloween? What do you like to do when it's Halloween? And just tell me, what are your favorite fall finds in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next vlog. Have a good time, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.